Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Previously I showed this hairstyle where I'm wearing this coily puff drawstring, and so today I'm here to show you how I made it. So if you want to know how I made it, then stay tuned. Alright, so this is pretty easy. What you need a large hook, you need a mannequin head, and you need this net that has the drawstring onto it. I bought this on eBay, and I'm gonna put the link in the description box for you to check it out. It comes in like 5 pieces and it's very affordable, and so I'm gonna use one today for this video. So now I'm placing the net on the mannequin head. I'm going to pin it down around the perimeter so that it can be firm for me to crochet the hair I want to use. Alright, so I have this spring twist that I used in my other video. I'll put the link for you to see and where I bought it. And so I have 3 packs left, so I decided to use this for this drawstring. And so the next step is for me to start applying the hair with my crochet needle, and I just have to just create a loop and I'll tie it. Alright, so for you to know what happened behind the scene was I made a lot of mistakes when I was doing this. The major mistake I did was to actually apply this hair onto the net without cutting it. For you to have a full looking puff coily hair like you saw in the beginning, you have to have a shorter length of hair. So I would advise that you cut your hair into 2 before you apply it. At the end of the day, I realized this after I used almost 2 packs, and I went ahead and cut the remaining 1.5 pack into 2, and I begin to put them in between, and all are inside and around. And after that, I now went ahead and trimmed everything so that it can have the same length, and that was how I got the the size of drawstring that you saw me at the beginning. But if you want yours to be this long, you can leave it, but for you to get the actual results, you have to cut your hair into 2, like 1 strand into 2, so you can see it was extremely long and it will be nice for the kind of style I was going for. So I went ahead and chopped up a lot of hair, which would have given me more volume, but what can I do? You learn from your mistakes. For you not to make my kind of mistake, so just make sure you divide the hair into 2, and you can see that is full and really beautiful. I like it. I like the results. So I went ahead and added some combs. You can buy this from your local beauty supply shop, and when you are sewing this comb to inside of the net, make sure that you avoid where the rope for the drawstring pass through, so that it won't affect it when you want to wear it. So these are the hair that I cut off, and yeah, I should have used it for something else, but unfortunately I had to cut them off to get my size. And so guys, if you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and please like this video. And thank you so much guys, and I hope you like the results. Bye for now, until my next one.